Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the first Caliph and his great achievements. This was the chapter where Islamic history truly began, where a gentle heart, firm resolve, and unshakable faith guided a scattered nation back to unity, justice, and light. The Caliphate of Abu Bakr As-Siddiq was not only an example of leadership, but a radiant era filled with patience, wisdom, and unwavering faith. After the passing of the Prophet Muhammad, grief filled Medina. Every tongue was silent, every heart heavy with sorrow. The companions wondered, who will now lead the Ummah? At that moment, Hazrat Umar stood up, held the hand of Abu Bakr, and declared, "This is the companion of the Prophet in the cave. None is more deserving than him." All the companions agreed and pledged allegiance to Abu Bakr As-Siddiq. He stood before the people, his face calm yet resolute, his heart trembling with the fear of Allah. He said, "If I do right, help me. If I go astray, correct me. Obey me as long as I obey Allah and His Messenger." These words became the eternal standard for Islamic leadership. After the Prophet's passing, some tribes refused to pay zakat. Others attempted to abandon Islam, and some even claimed prophethood. Disunity threatened the very foundation of the Ummah. Abu Bakr stood firm and declared, "By Allah, if they withhold even a rope that they used to give in the time of the Prophet, I will fight them until the faith is complete again." His words shook the mountains. Under his leadership, armies were organized, and the Ummah united once more under one banner. It was the first time Muslims witnessed the strength and justice of the Caliphate. False claimants to prophethood, Musaylima the liar, Talaiha, and Sajah, rose to mislead people. Abu Bakr appointed Khalid ibn al-Walid to lead the armies. He said, "Go and prove to the world that Islam is the truth." In the Battle of Yamamah, Muslims fought bravely and many were martyred. Through the courage of Khalid and the prayers of Abu Bakr, truth prevailed and falsehood was crushed. This victory secured the foundation of the Caliphate and strengthened the unity of Islam. Once unity was restored, Abu Bakr began building the structure of the Islamic State. He first revived the system of zakat to create balance between the rich and the poor. He said, "Zakat purifies the heart and strengthens the nation." The Bayt al-Mal, public treasury, was established, where every coin was spent on the welfare of the people. This became the foundation of the first Islamic welfare state, where wealth became an act of worship and justice became a way of life. During the Battle of Yamamah, many Hufas, memorizers of the Quran, were martyred. Hazrat Umar advised, "Let us compile the Quran into one manuscript, so that the Ummah may preserve it forever." At first, Abu Bakr hesitated and said, "The Prophet did not do this. How can I?" But soon his heart found peace. "If this is a good deed, Allah will bless us in it." He entrusted Zayd ibn Thabit with the sacred duty of compiling the Quran. It became one of the greatest achievements in Islamic history, the eternal preservation of Allah's word. Once peace was restored in Arabia, Abu Bakr turned his attention outward. He sent Khalid ibn al-Walid toward Iraq and Amr ibn al-As toward Syria. Their armies carried not greed, but faith, discipline, and justice. Many lands accepted Islam without war, their hearts won by truth and mercy. The light of Islam began to spread across Iraq, Syria, and Egypt. These were not conquests of land, but victories of hearts. Despite ruling a vast and growing empire, Abu Bakr lived in extreme simplicity. His home was bare, just a blanket, a few utensils, and a camel. When given a stipend from the treasury, he said, "If I can provide for myself, I need nothing from the Bayt al-Mal." His nights were spent in worship and his days in service to the people. He would carry sacks of grain on his shoulders for widows and orphans. He was a ruler, but he walked the streets like a humble servant. This humility won the hearts of his people. The Caliphate of Abu Bakr was brief but monumental. In just over 2 years, he united the Ummah, preserved the Quran, established justice, revived zakat, and prepared Islam for global expansion. When his final moments came, he said, "Do not bury me in new clothes, wrap me in my old garments, for the new will be needed more by the living than the dead." This was Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the first Caliph, and his great achievements. A story where faith gave birth to leadership, and justice gave life to an entire nation.